Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm with my dog Snoopy right there, and everything might be a little bit blurry, not exactly sure, because Dad and I was changing the settings and everything and seeing which one might be the best. And yeah, well, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and that kind of stuff. I will really be happy if you subscribe and stuff like that. We have 52, and I'm trying to hit around 60 around next 3 months. I'm hoping the next 3 months I'll get 60 subscribers. I'm okay if it doesn't happen, but I'm hoping so. By the way, this case cannot go underneath the water, so yeah. Oh, I'm going to my GoPro. I'm gonna commonly use it because it's my only camera basically, and I can get really good shots, which I'm really happy about. There's Snoop. Very dead over here. This area needs water, I think. Nah, it doesn't really. Been like that for ages, and it's been raining lots yesterday. This case is waterproofed, but not enough to go underneath the water. So yeah, there's a bird in there. Hopefully you guys really like the new camera quarterly. I'm gonna put that in my speech, don't worry. Just not the best right now. Snoopy found something. Where's Snoop? Snoopy was barking for a little while today. And not exactly sure when I'm gonna upload this video, but it will be soon-ish. And yeah, I'm pretty sure you can remember this from yesterday. I could snap down, just that will take a little while probably. Just a little. And yeah, hopefully you guys check the other video and subscribe to all the people that I shouted out. I'm pretty sure it was in my first vlog with my GoPro. This is my second. Yay. Focusing, that will commonly happen now guys, I'm afraid. But that really doesn't matter. Oh, rabbit. There's tons of rabbits. Snoopy likes this area. Look at him. He found his little camp. This is the bridge, by the way. I'm straight underneath it. Well, I already uploaded 2. This is my 3rd one of the day. Possibly might upload it. Probably will actually. Snoopy is now slowly forgetting about the iron bar when he got extra how the cat say it. I can place it down, which I never could do before. I can also do this. Hello guys, this is my face. You've seen it a couple times. My hair is really ugly though, but oh well. This is me, 2017, nearly 2018, and I'll be doing this special for New Year. So yeah, I gotta turn the camera. I always have to like make so many cuts because I have to like make it turn around to my face and then stop it and then cut it, which took a long time to edit. It's much easier for me to edit videos now. I could just like do about 2 cuts without even worrying to get together. Snoopy hasn't been in this area for quite a long time actually. Ever since he got a fright from the iron bar. Okay, let's go. Hopefully you guys had a good Christmas. I got quite a lot of nice stuff. Snoopy! Snoopy! There he is. It took a little while. It's a really sunny day today. Sunnier than expected actually. I had a voice crack, whatever what you call it. Well, I have lots of dirt in my shoe, which is really annoying me, so I'll just do a quick clip off it, whatever you call it. So yeah, oh, it's Dad. Might as well go over there when I'm at it. He's just tying up his shoes. The Snoopy's all over him. Here's our cabin. Hello, Dad. Good. This is Dad chopping his nails. So I'm not recording you. Ish. Snoopy's just going all over Dad. Well, I'll just do a cut and come back soon. So yeah.